Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are having a fabulous day and you are safe wherever you are. So guys, September update is very near, so prepare yourself. The sneak peeks are dropping day by day and the countdown has begun guys. We all are excited. The hype meter is really high, and today early in the morning we got our third sneak peek, and we will be talking about that in a bit. But man, the love you all are giving to the channel is awesome. Please keep supporting. Your love is always appreciated, and I will never disappoint you. And really sorry guys that I haven't been uploading videos from last 2 days, just because I was busy in some of my personal work. So that's another case. So we got the first sneak peek and the sneak peek number 2 that revealed Doctor Strange uniform, and the sneak peek 2 revealed that we are getting a new character, Morbius. So let's check out what sneak peek number 3 has for us. So let's go into the forum, as you can see here. So let's see what we get from the sneak peek number 3. Not you guys, damn it. So yeah, so here we go guys. The sneak peek, guess the next update. Here we go. So sneak peek number 3, as you can see here guys, September sneak peek number 3. So let's check out what inside it. So it's by CM Fragment as always. So let's see what CM Fragment has to say. Greeting agents, this is CM Fragment of Marvel Future Fight team. With the rise of Mephisto's fortress in Las Vegas, a resident superhero dons his scarlet mask once again. Since our agents haven't gathered enough intel on this dangerous area, his reconnaissance will be invaluable. So as you can see, sneak peek here. So swinging through Sin City Hotel Inferno in the image. So let's check out the image. So we will be checking out the image in a bit. Let's see what L has to say. Looks like there's going to be a web wonder joining the action against the forces of evil. Keep an eye out, agents. Thank you. So I guess you all have enough information, and you have gathered what the sneak peek has to say. And definitely guys, it's another Spider character, and if you don't know who it is it's Scarlet Spider. So that's the iconic icon of a Scarlet Spider, if you don't know. So there are many alternatives in Scarlet Spider in the Spider-Verse in the Earth 616 variant. Now many of them has served as the Scarlet Spider. Like if you know, Peter Parker also served as the Scarlet Spider. Joe Waddle also served as Scarlet Spider as a villain, and Kane Parker and many other multiverse had many Scarlet Spider. So which one we are talking about? So this is Ben Reilly Spider-Man, and if you don't know, he was originally a clone of Spider-Man Peter Parker, and he was created by the Jackal in a lab, and I will be talking about that. He has served as the Scarlet Spider a bit later. He was first introduced in the I guess in the comic run, this Amazing Spider-Man number 149, and he was introduced in October 1975. He was created by Jackal in a lab, and he tried to create a replica of Peter Parker the Spider-Man. He actually returned in 1994 to 1996 in the Clone Saga storyline, and there he adopted the Scarlet Spider. He was killed in the original storyline, unfortunately, and he tried to in that storyline, Peter Parker is not the original Spider-Man. He has left the superhero tag, I guess, and there Scarlet Spider serves as the Spider-Man, and unfortunately he is killed by Green Goblin in that issue, and I don't want to spoil a lot about that comic. He was killed by Green Goblin in that issue, and that again made Peter Parker to be the ultimate Spider-Man, the Amazing Spider-Man. So he's a very interesting character, and he has served as many in many comics like Spider-Man, the Venomverse, and originally in the Web of Scarlet Spider, the Web Wars, and many other comic books. So he is a very interesting character, and I'm pretty excited for him. If you don't know how he will be played out, he will be very much like the normal spider characters, webbing and all that. And if you don't know, I am a huge Spider-Man fan. I'm a huge Spider character fan, and I love his Spider-Verse, man. So I am really excited and looking forward for Scarlet Spider, Ben Reilly. And I know many of players, I have seen many of the players heading up on the forum for Ben Reilly. So again, he's been adding up. So one another Spider character, can he be the strongest out of them? Because right now the Spider characters, apart from Spider-Man 2099, none of them are very strong. Even tier 3 Spider-Man is not very strong. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you all enjoyed the video, and if you did, hit me up in the comment and tell me how much excited you are for Scarlet Spider, because I am very much excited.